midnight. Waves 2 feet or less. Showers with a... The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 87, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Cecil, Maryland, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 87 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties: Cecil, Maryland, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Here is the official Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the...
You have one unread message.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 89, effective until midnight Friday. This watch includes the following county: Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 89 has been issued until midnight Friday for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware.
Crappy reception strikes again.
County in south central Pennsylvania, southern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, western Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Port Traralgon to near Miserville to Millersburg to Duncannon, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely,
This thing has had crappy reception like the whole time.
these storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle.
And you're just trash, so I wouldn't expect you to go off. This one reception is trash. I don't expect it to go off every time. It looks so yellow. Yes, this one went off. Need I give proof? It's not the watch, by the way. Oh, it might have just gone off for 1050, actually. Did it? Oh, it just went off for 1050. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, well, hopefully they issue more and they actually go off this time. I don't know. Oh, man! Yeah, I'll do it. Oh, I heard him scream. I heard there was something for to go off.
At 7:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Strausstown, or 10 miles northeast of Myerstown, moving east at 65 miles per hour.
Jesus.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaged roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Reading, Lehighton, Bethlehem, Emmaus, Wyoming, Northampton, Palmerton, Birdsboro, Kutztown, Jim Thorpe, Hamburg, Leamington.
Meanwhile, the table of problems. Y'all won't go off. You get way better reception there. You're a lost cause. This guy's a lost cause for sure. Bruh. Oh, it's just all static. That's what happened. You know, he's just all static. I have no idea. HH, bro, I swear.
West winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour, becoming northwest 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour after midnight. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the mid-50s.
Who's on?
West winds 5.
I was using the bathroom, thank you very much. Bro, again? Oh my god, oh, you're dead. You went off, I heard you go off. You went off and you're trash. Turned you off. You should have the best reception out of all of them. I don't know what's up with you. Worm beans. You know, it's for like every county that like these guys can't get. Oh. Oh, it just opens. And oh no, it's for Sussex, Warren, Carbon, Monroe, and Northampton. Did you know Northampton County is the county that I forget about the most? I'm sorry, my Northampton Countyers. But, yeah, your county's kind of forgettable. Sorry. You decoded it right! Speaking of Mount Holly,
Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. At 8:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Demillsville to Laureldale, moving northeast at 100 miles per hour.
what?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement reported a tree down in Perry Township.
Yo, this just said moving northeast at 100 miles an hour.
Citing trees and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Allentown.
Oh my god! It is not wrong.
They're really not wrong,
No, moving northeast at 100. This is some sort of enhanced risk material right here. This is what you'd expect from an enhanced risk in March in the Northeast.
Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rainfall. Then some thunderstorms.
Okay, well, I don't think I've ever had. I have never had a warning where it said more than 100 miles an hour, like moving. Never got a warning where the storm was moving over 100 miles an hour. So. Can I talk?
What was that, Jack?
Wait, U.S. use counties?
I've never had a warning before.
Oh.
I've never had a warning before where it's been moving at over 100 miles an hour. Or exactly 100 for that matter.
100. It's usually like between like 30 or something like that, or maybe like less.
Sometimes, I mean, with squall lines, it's like 60.
I don't usually check what the wind is.
I just usually don't care, but then I heard 100, and then I'm like, what the f***? Oh, crap! You went off? Let's go, you went off. Is that for me? Damn it! Okay. Damn. Dang, this thing's only moving at 60.
Texas include Easton, Newton, Bethlehem, Dover, Patcon, Fort, Tackett,
Oh, PatCon, my favorite place. Yeah, you're trash. I think your night's over. 100. Rest well. No idea how you activated with that, to be honest. Yeah, actually, you either. I'm putting my ear up to the speaker. There's no way you went off of that, but you did. Sanjin's reception is just otherworldly. Your reception is shit, but... Oh, my leg. Damn.
Thunderstorm watch 89 in effect until midnight tonight. Tonight, showers and
You have
thunderstorms
100
mainly
messages.
this evening. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rainfall. Then
I hear a version 15.
Just what? Oh, yeah, that's mine.
I want a version 15 so bad.
Damn, bro, the enhanced risk went away.
Yeah, but the version 15 is rare now.
It is?
Yeah.
Damn, bro, I got this. Bro, I got this.
Oh, dude, that Wild almost scored right there.
Damn, bro, I got this thing for $40.
Yeah, I got mine. I do have an HH54 VP, but mine's not. Mine's a 16, but I'm fine with it.
I have a 15 and a 16.
I want to get my hands on a version 14, but they're extremely rare.
Yeah, I doubt it. Listen to that 74-200, babe. Let's go. One more time. Probably for me, actually. Is it? It's for me. 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 God, fuck.
What is it?
Severe thunderstorm warning. It's for me. Yeah. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares about me? Nobody.
thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wyomissing to near Churchtown to near Scott,
I know, but I'm still.
moving northeast at 50 miles per hour.
Damn, this moving keeps going down, bro.
And any size hail.
Gotta keep plugging it in until my phone's at like 20.
Damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include
Is this still on?
Westchester, Norristown, Pottstown, Phoenixville.
Whatever, I'll leave that on for meme purposes.
East Norton,
I'll leave that on
Hillsville,
to trigger people.
Westtown, Wyomissing, Quick-Care-Town,
Gonna leave that on to trigger all you guys. I'm gonna peel it up. Nah, I'm good.
Kenneth Square. This includes the following.
Hearing this
Pennsylvania Turnpike.
74-200 go off is amazing.
32. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 52.
Hearing this one go off is a blessing.
76 in Pennsylvania.
This one too, but it's I don't care. This one because it's rare. That one because it's also rare, and these two because why not? And you don't fail me.
Interstate 100, 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the
Sometimes I forget that I have a broken one in my closet. Sometimes I really forget that I have a broken 400 in my closet, and that's not my old, and that's not the one from April 2021.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has
I'm
been issued
fat.
until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties.
Bozo, I got it. What?
South winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts up to 35.
Version, 8. It's new, so whatever. But still got the statement light, so I don't care.
Well, he also has an MWR839.
Huh?
Cash 28 gonna go.
It's actually on his wall.
Yeah, I know.
It's
Yeah, I
actually
know.
right next to his version 2 black and silver.
So are they gonna tone this?
I'll know when they go when your radios go off.
Yeah, they're not toning it for whatever reason.
Interstate 89
Oh, they're playing a warning. That's why they're playing a warning.
I don't know, unless Mount Holly is one of the offices where there is significant delay.
Sussex and Warren and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks and Northampton.
Flash flood warning.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains.
They have to do this.
Okay. Ready? KIH-28 is putting out another severe thunderstorm warning continuation right now.
Locations impacted include Westchester. Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Easton, Bethlehem, Forts, Hagerstown, Wilson, Washington, Philadelphia, Belvedere, and Harmony. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 67 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 80 in New Jersey.
Screw them for now.
5 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Lehigh, and Montgomery.
Go Mountain Hall. KIH-28.
Current time is 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh, it's not even for their counties. Never mind. All right.
Philadelphia metropolitan area. Severe thunder.
Not bad.
County in northern New Jersey. Warren County in northwestern New Jersey. Northeastern Lehigh County.
What's the date code on your WR400?
My bad. The warning wasn't even for KIH-28's area. On which one? Yeah, it's me! Oh. What is going on? I think I'm in this. Yeah, I am under this.
Moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicates.
Yo, if I lose connection at all, it means my power went out.
And power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, Easton, Westchester, Bethlehem, Bensalem, Bridgewater, Ewing, Norristown, Dover, Phillipsville, Lansdale, West Norton, Forts, East Norton, Coatesville, Yelp, Westtown, and Quakertown. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 309 and 354. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 39. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 2 and 14, and between mile markers 21 and 28. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 349. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 68 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 32. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 71 and 76. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 19 and 24. Interstate 600. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 71 and 76. Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, severe thunderstorm.
Well, that could be it.
Oh, God.
Tornado warning! First one! My first tornado warning took 3 months less than before. Yay.
Northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Bedminster, Tunicum, Dublin, Pipersville, Galena, Huntsville, and Lumberville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle...
First tornado warning on some of these radios. First ever.
From flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following county: Pennsylvania. National Weather Service forecast for Upper Delaware Bay. Severe thunderstorm watch 89 in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time tonight.
Oh, man.
You need another one. We're getting an SPR from Sterling.
I don't care. We're still doing this?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Huntington,
Still going?
northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Mercer County, and central
Oh, man, the storm line is right outside me. Okay, well.
southeastern Montgomery County, and
That is right near me.
Chester County, and southeastern
I'm in that little corner right there. I am about right there.
Let's figure out how much.
And that's here.
Any thunder yet?
I'm here.
severe thunderstorms were located.
It's like a...
Extending from
stupid ass gauge.
35 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. Possible. Locations intended include Philadelphia, Trenton, Venezuela, Ewing, Norristown, Chester, East Norton, Philadelphia, Salem, Ewing, Norristown, Chester.
I'm probably out of stream mode, aren't I?
Westbound.
You can make an overnight stream if you need to. Make one of those overnight streams.
No!
This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike
Yes, sir.
between
Severe
mile
thunders
markers
warning.
329 and 366.
Severe thunders warning moment.
Extension between mile markers 21 and 22. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 5 and
HH, stop
14.
having worse reception on the 120.
2 and 40. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 328 and 348. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 69 and 76. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your building. Move indoors immediately.
That's too close.
To keep from your thunder. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, the current time is 10:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here is the regional weather forecast. Eastern Daylight Time. Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, severe thunderstorm watch 89 in effect until midnight tonight. Overnight, showers and thunderstorms likely. Some thunderstorms may be severe.
Remember, guys, if you hear thunder, you EOM tone.